G'day DIYers, it's Chriso from Down Under. I'm doing a splashback at the moment. I'll just turn the camera around. I'm doing a splashback at the moment. That's the glue I'm going to be using. It is a one pot mastic and it's ideal for this sort of thing. I'm laying these tiles. The owners, before there was just a couple of tiles up here, so what I'm doing now is running right through with this tile like so. There's going to be a bit of an overhang. Hello. There's going to be a bit of an overhang at each end, but you don't cut glass mosaic and have it exposed. So the center has been found. I work off the center. The only cut I'm going to be doing is a few tiles up there, and if it's slightly chipped when I silicone, it'll fix up the chip on the tile. So what you do, you always use a 6mm notchy, because you never want, and then you lay it over a little bit too, so you're actually getting about a 3 to 4mm notch of glue, because you never want it that much on your wall that it comes out through your lines. Don't forget that, everyone. So when you're doing mosaics, you're always using a small notch trowel. Just like this. So I'll go off the halfway point. It's always a little bit tricky because I could be using a little bit smaller trowel. They sell them at the hardware store. They're plastic. That's all I would need for this sort of thing, but I forgot all about it. So you get the glue on the best you can. Sometimes you can put it on with the flat of your notch trowel to start with, to get it on. Doesn't matter how you get it on, just get it on. Like so. Right, that's on now. What I'm doing is I'm tidying it up. Tidying up my lines. I'll have a bucket of water in a minute. To get rid of my excess. So you try and get an evenness there of your glue. no big pieces sort of sticking out anywhere. And get rid of that. Don't need that. Now the beauty of this glue is it doesn't matter where you put it, like I'm raising it up off the bench a little bit. When I press it on the wall, it stays. It doesn't sag or anything. Okay, I'll go and get some more tiles out of the garage. And a wooden float. Okay, see you in a minute. Bye. I've got the fan going in here, drying the first coat of waterproof. That's why I'm doing the splashback, which is cool. There's a couple that are stuck together, so we'll just disregard them. Take off your backing paper. These are a heavy glass Mosaic. I'll get a bucket of water shortly. I have time because this glue is, oh, it's good stuff. For the DIY, it gives you time to work at things. Just like that, guys and gals. You're always looking at your lines, making sure it's all hunky-dory. Wipe your hands on your shorts, that's why you wear shorts, something to wipe your hands on. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye. I've got the glue on, and you just put it on the best way you know how. There's no easy way when it's a bit restricted with taps and that sort of thing. You just get it on the best way you can. Then what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Zap a cut through there. Bang them on. Another packet. I'm going to be putting these in the niche like that, which will be pretty cool. Always making sure your backing paper is off, otherwise you're in trouble. Bubble. Get rid of that. I've got them on, but I'll still be checking my lines in a minute once I've got them up there. With tiling, it's all to do with you always make sure things are centered, right? So that's why I found my center here, and then I've got the even distance either side of this window and the same measurement at each end, and everything's uniform. That is the key with tiling. Okay, I'll get some water, give it all a bit of a wipe. I'll pop those in first, and what do we got? I've got to cut them 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. One, two, three, four, five. So I'll cut these to size, pop them in, give it a wipe off, and that's that done. Then I'll go for lunch and I'll come back and give all that another coat of waterproof. Okay, see ya. Give us a thumbs up. Woo! Poke that subscribe button. See you soon. Bye.